and shells falling, but I won't fall in. Falling, falling, falling for you like won't fall in, yeah.
Alright guys, I'm just packing up to go down to get into the car, so I'm just packing up all the camera gear. I thought you guys should meet the newest member to the crew as well. This is Nismo. Say hi, Nismo. Alright, today we're gonna take the E46 sedan, because yeah, why not? Something a bit different. What we're doing is we're going to a Cars and Culture event, and we're gonna pretty much cover it for you guys. So I'm really excited to see what turnout, it turns out to be. Hopefully there are some sick cars, and yeah, well, it's gonna be a good day either way. Nice weather, good cars. I'm sure good, people as well. We are in the sedan E46, so this thing will look pretty nice under the sun too. Since I did spend, what was it, like 2 to 3 hours like cutting, polishing this thing. So I'll show you guys that when we go out too. So anyway, enough talking. I'll pick the camera up once we're actually there, and we'll go for a walk around, and yeah, see you guys then. All right, we did get a little bit lost, but honestly, this place is really good for a photo shoot. Plus the sky is amazing, and I just thought we might pull over and just have a look at the E46 while we're here, because it just looks, I don't know, this place just looks so good. So I did get a little bit lost. I think we got to turn right down there, but we'll just appreciate how the car looks right now. Honestly, I always say it, but such a good daily. I love this thing. Just needs maybe a 3 liter or a 2JZ, but that is again something that when the R34 is finished, I'm going to look further into, either turbocharge, engine swap, or who knows what. But okay, back onto the hunt, because I gotta find this place. So pick the camera up when we're there. Oh yeah, so many cars already. Just gotta get inside, to be honest. Being through there, but not too sure. Yeah, through there. Really nice day as well, honestly. Such a good day. Alright guys, so the music was kind of overpowering, so I'm just going to do like this little voiceover. But I completely fell in love with this green. I believe it's green. Not too sure if it's a factory color either, but it just really reminded me of the newer Porsche 911 GT3. Just super dope. Yeah, so join me guys in like a POV walk around of the whole pretty much Cars and Culture event. Lately, I have been a super big fan of this Ferrari 360s. Maybe because I've just been they're kind of affordable, and they look pretty sick. Or if it's a manual, gated manual, and on TE37s, or like a Japanese style wheels, on like European sports carish, and it's a V8. I don't know, I really like it. this is kind of something different and cool. I didn't really expect it, but it was a massive turnout of American and Australian muscle cars as well. So it's something very new to my channel and also quite new to me. I'm not all too familiar with Australian or some American muscle car scene, but so it's kind of exciting to show you guys what Australia's muscle car scene is like as well. And these examples are so clean, I can't actually take it in. But like that thing, don't know what that is, probably a Corvette. That's a 4GT, I'm pretty sure, than this old Corvette Stingray, I believe. But such an insane clean example, and Australia they really do build some clean cars, and living here, and I don't know, it's kind of a privilege. But yeah, we'll keep walking around and going over some of these examples. And like again, you do see some Japanese cars in this event, but mainly these old school. But not this close in person. And the new 911 GT3 RS, like the aerodynamic, the front bonnet on that thing, the guards with the vents, it's just the rear spoiler, it's insane that Porsche can make this a road car. It's literally a race car. I don't know how they got it, but it's just such a nice car, man. I need one in my life. I can't afford one yet. Who knows, but I want one. Now, I seen this car, again, I'm not 200% sure if this is legit or a kit car, but I believe this is a Ferrari GTO, and if it's a genuine car, which I'm not too sure, I'm pretty sure this car's in the millions, because it's just ridiculously rare, ridiculously old, 1962 build, I believe. Could be wrong, but that's just crazy if it's legit. I don't know about you guys, but growing up, the Eleanor was such a big factor into me getting into cars. It was just something about it. Like, I remember watching Gone in 60 Seconds, and it captured me. Like, I was like, the VA, it was just insane. And it was actually funny enough, I was into muscle cars before Japanese cars, and this was the car that got me into it. But yeah, that was pretty much it, guys. In terms of turnout wise, it was very good. I think I was just a little bit late, but yeah, honestly, it was more muscle cars than Japanese cars, which is kind of cool. So it's kind of like a little refreshing thing to the channel. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy that little, I guess, more Australian muscle compared to the usual Japanese. But there was some in there a little bit, some Porsches. So the new GT3 RS and the GT4 RS was in there as well, and that green Porsche 911, that was probably my favorite just because of color wise. But yeah, overall, hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was a beautiful day. I'm still going to go out and enjoy it. I'm just going to head off now, and yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll catch you guys. I'll actually chuck in the update of the R34 video at the end of this. So most of it, like, I will put in the video that I do voice over the video, just cause yeah, I didn't want to disturb the guy that's building my engine. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Peace. All right, guys, we're kind of in the middle of nowhere, but we are dropping off some parts for the R34. Nothing crazy. It's just pretty much just for the Haltech digital dash in the center where the GDR would be. I've got that actual outer plastic part that I'm going to drop off in a short shifter. That's about it, but I just wanted to go next to the car and just see where the progress was really. So that's kind of what we're doing today. Nothing crazy. And this is my RB25. So it's been a long time, but some headwork has been done. The camshafts are in, head's been removed, completely cleaned, machined, and the cam gears are also in. There's a lot to still be done. Here's my manifold, and yeah, just gonna, nothing too crazy, guys, just a quick little update. Don't want to give too much away, but it's just nice to see my car again. There's actually no words that to explain how much I can't wait for this car to be finished and back on the road, because I miss it.